Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I will explain about physical distancing to uh, project 7 project. So in here, the material from my teacher is list from my teacher is make configuration, uh, maximum minimum is 8 protocol, and the second is VLAN and trunk, not in this list, and third is only in physical. Fourth is RA1 and 2 can connect or can communicate, and the five is RA1 can connect to server. So in egg protocol, I add or I make DHCP name DHCP VLAN, and the second routing AGRP, third is routing RIP, fourth is redistribute distribute, then 1 2 3 4, and 5 is access list, 6 is not overload, 7 is port security, and the last is make NTP protocol. So I make DHCP in RA1 and RA2, but the configuration only in router disk, and in RA2 same in router disk. Then in switch, I only make a VLAN and trunking the bus Ethernet to router and RA1 too. So the second is routing AGRP. Routing AGRP I make in from router 3 to router 5. For routing RIP, the third routing RIP I make in router 1 to router 3. So the redistribute is for combine or connecting from AGRP to RIP. I make the redistribute in here in router 3, and the access list is for RA1 can connect to server. The access list is configuration. The access list configuration only in router 4, yes, and not overload. I do in maybe all router, and port security only in RA1 and NTP in router 4, not overload in wait not overload only in this area, in area 2. Okay, let's do the physical. Click this, after that zoom in, click again. Okay, area, physical. So from this is PC, there are 4 is RA1, and this area is RA2, and then this is server, and this router 3, yes, and this switch for router 2, and this switch for RA1, switch for area 2, and switch for RA1. So this router for DHCP and these two. Okay, let's see the configuration. The first one in switch. Let me already say before and do show again. In this switch, I just make a VLAN 10 and do show run. Now in here there are three protocol of port security, namely is violation shutdown, violation protect, and violation restrict. Let's see the port security. Port security. There are three: shutdown, protect, and restrict. Okay, let's go to the router. This router for routing for make it DHCP and configuration that do show run DHCP full run 10 and make it encapsulation or yes encapsulation. What it that do show IP DHCP binding. Nah, the DHCP is successfully. Then I will show you the routing. In here you show peer route. So in this router I use a RIP mode or routing RIP. R is mean RIP, and let me try the NAT. So or maybe I just configuration the NAT in area 2. So let's do the router 2, second router, and configuration. So maybe in here just configuration, routing configuration. So run. Yes, just routing configuration. Let's see what the routing is. So IP route. Okay, the routing is R. This means is RIP. Nah, that go to router. Enable after configuration terminal that do show run first. There is router AGRP and router RP in router 3. So for the connecting to the AGRP and RIP, we must make router routing registry. So I'll show you the configuration. code. Here the redistribute from router RP is redistribute AGRP 10 metric 1. From router AGRP 10 is redistribute RIP metric 1 1 1 1 until 5. Okay, I will show you the show the root, the show IP root. Nah, in here D, that means AGRP. That maybe that's all. Let's go to the router port CLI, enter, and con. So in router port is connect to server and router 3. So in here I make a access list and maybe not to show run first. In here the configuration of access list, IP access group 1 out, in interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0, and in what's the init. So the routing for this router is router AGRP. And then the configuration of access list is because the list from my teacher is deny or area 1 can connect to server, so we must deny the IP of area 1. And then in here I make NTP server for calendar. Then let's check the NAT to show IP NAT. Maybe we must ping first, or do show IP NAT. Sorry. Nah, no guys, maybe that's all. Let's go to router 5 enable conf use show IP show run first. So in here DHCP pool for VLAN 20 is for area 2 in the network is 20.0. Is the IP address and use encapsulation, then use AGRP and IP NAT inside. So maybe in here there's a NAT. Let's try the configuration of NAT. This show IP NAT stuff. In here I make NAT offroad. Do show IP NAT or do show IP route first. Do show IP route D, that means AGRP. Do show. Let's check the port security. card security. So because I'm not make a configuration of for security, so in here there is a text invalid input take at marker. Maybe this already right case. Let's ping from area 1 to area 2. So in here IP configuration is 20.4 in PC2. Let's ping from PC0 to the PC2. Ping. Ping 192.168.20.4. So this means is successfully from PC0 to PC2 can connect. So let's try in PC1. Ping 192.20.4. Connect, update. Let's ping to maybe in PC1 in area 2. Ping S dot successfully upgrade ping to the server. Ping because the address of the server is 30.2 so let's ping 30. So unreachable is successfully the access list is successfully. So here is in PC1 in area 2 is the IP address is 20.2 and maybe that's all. Let's ping from this from here to here. Let's check the NAT. Maybe just now do show the NAT.
Tadi suruh gabung ngapain?
Okay, maybe that's all. Maybe that's all from me. My name is Muhammad Fadli Prasetya Pratama, or you can call me Fadli. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.